Friends, people have been asking me again and again what should be the strategy for to crack cat, and there are a lot many Charleston, so many people preparing, showing it that they are the wizards, crack cat in one day. It's not possible, but yes, it's very easy to plan and crack cat. See, you get into a decent college, you need to get around 120 plus 10 or 15 extra marks depending on the paper. Now, if you plan your bottom line at 120 and divide it into three sections, it hardly comes to 40. Now, remember, there is one section, that is the first section, that is verbal ability and reading comprehension. In any case, remember, the cutoff here is going to be very high, 40 or 42 marks. So for you, the best thing is to prepare very hard daily practice for RC reading comprehensions and verbal abilities, particularly parajumbles and the essence or the summary writing. Every day you should be at least attempting 40 to 45 questions of RC and VA, and you should plan, and this section at least 60, those who are not good at English, and if you are proud that your English is good, you should plan somewhere between 70 and 75. Now let us come to section 2. Let me come back to section 1 once again. The thing is that there is no shortcut. I'll tell you about, I am going to take a one individual section of how to do in VA and RC, but the practice alone is going to do it. There is no classes, and I don't look for the classes. I'll tell you how to improvise yourself. Now coming to section 2. Section 2 is reasoning and data interpretation. Both of the things you have not learned in your school days, nor were you encouraged to interpret the data or to think out of the box. This is something new to you, and this is something new to everybody, including those IITs and CAs and everything. You need to go across variety of reasoning sets and DI sets every day. I'll tell you how much to do it. This is an area, data interpretation, I tell you particularly, I have spent my 20 years of my life, first 20 years in corporate world, where every data used to come to me in the form of a pie chart or bar graph or anything, because that was the easiest way, compressed way to read the data. When I came into CAT coaching, I had a hearty laugh, because data interpretation was taught by mathematics teachers, and they spoiled it because people are already afraid of maths, and these people were teaching maths in data interpretation. Data, it is not data calculation, it is data interpretation. How to interpret and take out the data, cross connection of the data, interpreting of the data. If it was maths, they would have never given you calculator there. So interpretation, data is interpretation, and nowadays they are mixing data interpretation. You need lot of reasoning out of box for cross references. This particular section you need to do a lot of practice, good stuff. Now coming to maths. The world is divided into two kind of people. They are very good at maths. They are very good at maths. Their score in the very first, all India mock test is going to be 50 and 60. And believe me friends, they are going to remain there till the end, because they have already exhausted. They have put in a lot of efforts. Now there are other people who are afraid of maths. They are not able to enter into 2-digit scores. Now for them an opportunity is lying there. You are getting my point? The opportunity is there. See, you can comfortably plan 50 to 60 in section 1, 40 to 50 in section 2. You're already there. You have to just clear the cutoff for IIMs. I'm talking about IITs and MDI and other B schools. They don't ask for that high maths cutoff. And what is high maths cutoff? 75 percentile and 85 percentile and 90 percentile for IIMs, top IIMs to baby IIMs. So what you should do is start from the bottom. Don't depend on the class. And in maths classes, another thing I observed, the so-called maths teachers, now they treat you like school children. They tell you, mug up the fractions, mug up this thing. They don't understand that if you are practicing 50 questions a day, automatically a person will develop an uncanny ability to compute the data. They'll remember all the tables, they will remember all the factions, because they'll be day in and day out. So what these people are doing, they're right from one day they are putting that fear into you, and they are ruling on your hearts that they are gods. No, they are the people who are destroying you. You need to do is, okay, you take a pen and paper, you do 16 into 9, no problem, but don't mug up 16 table. You'll do the calculation, and one day you'll remember that you know every calculation. Do at least 500 questions, right from the basic questions of every uh, subtopic of maths. Now what happens again in coaching institutes, they have got their own speed, and for 6 months they will be silent, they'll not be doing anything, they'll be going into sales place, and then come cat, and they will take 6 hours classes, 7 hours classes every day, new topic, and there you are doomed, because by the time you come to terms with the topic, they have taken another topic. So maths, you should start quite early at a snail's pace, say 15 to 20 questions a day. You finish 500 questions of one topic, move to next topic, then move to next topic, then move to next. One in a week, once day, you do a wholesale, a combined test of all this thing in mathematics. So I tell you, if you're good at maths, plan 50. Otherwise, plan 50 to 60 in English. Plan 40 to 45, 40 to 50 in data interpretation. It's very easy. And once again, remember, not only this year, now in future, coaching classes is a gone phenomenon. The new normal is self-study at your own pace with multiplicity of the tutors. Pick up 1, 2, 3, 4 different kind of courses. They are available right from 1,000 to 10,000 rupees. You will save a lot of money. You will work at your space. Do communicate with the mentors on those test sites. Ask them for personal interaction, maybe at a cost, and get the best of the guidance. In this coaching institutes, if you see, if you ask them how many IIMs they have produced, ask them what percent of the people in their coaching institute score more than 90%. You'll be surprised it is not even 10%. So it's high time. Take the reins, take the control, and beat the cat. I'll come again, I'll meet you again. Thank you.